Hey everyone, John Shaw here from johnshaw.com, and it's Saturday. I'm here at the San Clemente Outlet with the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. Let's go check it out. Nice. Okay, starting Supercar Row, we see Simon's Camaro. He's the founder of the show, also owner of the Bracketeer. Almost 1,000 horsepower in that motor. And oh, this is new. He added a couple of instrument dial on the hood there, right in the line of sight. Mickey Thompson drag radio, you know, got straight is great, corners are for losers. And or the cones. And next to that is son's Porsche, the Panamera. And next to this is, oh, looks like the attraction of the show right here. This is a Ferrari F40. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this. Yeah, it was made for the 40th anniversary of Ferrari, and it was based on, well, it's a turbocharged V8. A lot of people consider this the best of the Ferrari Special. It was definitely the most raw. Yeah, check it out. It's like, I'm not sure you can see this, but there's a gated 5-speed shifter. Twin turbo V8, plexiglass rear window. You can see the intercooler right there, one on either side, the twin intercoolers. I believe. And here F40 on one side, but see, blank on the other side. So that's something you may not notice. Only says F40 on one side. Designed by Pininfarina. Yeah. And here we have a nicely specs McLaren 720S Spider. Yeah, the top is down, of course. So I like the matching accents on the seat, and the doors, and the dash. Very nice. And then we have a Ferrari Italia with its triple exhaust there. And Ferrari 360. Another McLaren. And here we have a 488. Lamborghini Gallardo. So we'll go across this way. You can check out the Ferrari versus the Lamborghini. Alright, another Ferrari. Another Ferrari. Oh, check this out. The Bentley Continental Speed Edition. Yeah, that's quite nice. Interesting color too. Nice interior. And as you can see, look, not the best for leg room. But for two people, yay. Very nice. F430, Ferrari FF, G23, Turbo. This is they claim this to be the Turbo Lightweight Edition. So this is the 992 Turbo Lightweight Edition. See? Lightweight. And the Lightweight Edition supposed to have no back seat, but the window is totally tinted, so I can't see. But I'll assume it has no back seat, and this is the Lightweight Edition. And it says that back here too, so there you go. Oh, check out the wheels on this thing. That's huge. Oh. Audi R8, Lamborghini Huracan, another Huracan, another 992 Turbo. This is not the lightweight. This is the standard turbo, so it has a back seat. Yes, it does. Ooh. F1 edition Aston Martin Vantage. Matte Black GT3, ZL1 Corvette, and check out this Huracan STO. All open so you can inspect it. So check out the carbon fiber in this hood, see? You can see. Okay, it's not Pagani level. On a Pagani, this all look perfect, but I guess Lamborghini, it's not seen, doesn't have to look good. And there's a scoop, the rear hood being removed so you can see the, oh wow, it's a Shippy Racing twin turbo kit. So you can see the turbo right there. Let's check it out along with the titanium exhaust. Wow, this got work done. Look at that exhaust. Crazy. The top mounted rear wing. I can see the new suspension system as well. Put a 5-point harness on there. That's awesome. And then here we have the world's best-selling Lamborghini. Yeah, this makes up almost 60% of Lamborghini sales. Italia, Ferrari Italia, another V8 Vantage, and a rear-wheel drive Huracan. Man, look how wide this Hummer is. That's insane. By comparison, check it out. Here is a look at the amount of space that's available still left to this old vintage Porsche. C7Z06. Normally it comes with 1650 horsepower stock, but this owner decided that that's not enough. So he replaced the supercharger with a 2300 Magnuson supercharger, ported the snout, added a 95mm throttle body, a new pulley on there, upgraded valve spring, added Cook's headers, I see. Yeah, it is now making 825 horsepower. Yeah, 825 horsepower, all to the rear wheel and a front engine rear drive car and a proper 7-speed manual transmission. Yeah, gotta love that. Wow, check out this classic hot rod. The flame paint job, the supercharged motor, with dual Elbra carburetors. Wow, that's nuts. Yeah, of course, you got the instruments on the dash, Simpson seat belt, her B&M shifters. Yeah, this is the very definition of what a hot rod is. This right here is the Mustang Club. Lots of Mustangs. I see a GT500, a Mach 1 Mustang. Because you get ripped off? Oh, check out this thing. It's a Javelin. I haven't seen one of these in forever. So this is a Javelin, and it looks like it has an engine swap. So that's not a Javelin. That's not a Javelin engine. No, it looks like a big block. No, not a big block actually, but it's got a Pro Charger on here. And so here you see the Pro Charger supercharger. And what's unique about this, there's no intercooler in the way, so basically you can't be running that much boost. Another thing is the air cleaner is like right smack against the side of the back of the motor, so it's gonna get a lot of hot air too. So sucking hot air for a supercharger with no intercooler. It probably barely runs 5 pounds of boost. Shiny. I can see myself. Woo. Hey everyone. Okay, check out this Cayman. It's got a wide body kit. It's for sale, by the way, in case you're wondering. Asking $60,000. It's 2010, and yeah, it's been highly modified with a really big. That's a big wing, man. That's a big wing. Anyway, it's for sale if you're interested. There you go. That's who to contact right there. Ho, ho, ho. That's a big tire. And that's what I call a suspension setup. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's nuts. That's crazy. Check it out. AMG wagon. That's cool. This is the back of the lot. A few spaces available for the latecomers. And the latecomer, Rolls Royce. Lamborghini Huracan, Ferrari V8, Audi V10, Porsche Flat 6, the Turbo, McLaren, a 488, Porsche GTS, nice Audi wagon, and STO. Supercar Garage has a new STO now. Yeah. I wonder when he's going to supercharge it. And this is the motorcycle section. Yeah, it's getting bigger because we're coming into motorcycle riding season. So the two-wheel section of South Pole Cars and Coffee is getting very crowded. Yeah. Oh, a GTX 1300. A Gizzard. Superbikes. What a Harleys. The Cruisers. Yeah. They're all coming in. Superbike invasion. Okay, so this is South Pole Cars and Coffee. Happens every Saturday from 9 to 11 here at the San Clemente Outlet. If you're ever in the area, you should definitely come check it out. It's a lot of fun and good way to get some exercise. JohnShop@JohnShop.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.